Let's get one thing straight. I don't have time is just an excuse. I've run kitchens, filmed shows, managed restaurants worldwide, and still eat well. So can you. The real problem? No plan. That's why you reach for junk. You're letting your schedule dictate your health. And that's a recipe for disaster. But what if you could have delicious, energizing meals in minutes? It's not about hours in the kitchen, it's about being smart and efficient. Today, SlimSync gives you 5 lightning-fast weight loss meals for busy professionals. Get ready to take notes, let's get cooking. First up, let's talk about the protein veggie wrap bowl, a game changer for anyone who wants to eat healthy without sacrificing flavor or convenience. This isn't just another salad or a boring lunch option, it's a vibrant, satisfying meal that's designed to crush your cravings and keep you energized all day long. Forget soggy wraps and limp sandwiches. This bowl is faster, cleaner, and way more satisfying. No more dealing with messy, falling-apart wraps or bland, uninspired lunches that leave you hungry an hour later. It's your best defense against the dreaded 3 p.m. slump and those sneaky vending machine temptations that always seem to call your name when your energy dips. Instead of reaching for chips or candy, you'll have a meal that actually fuels you. Start with quality, pre-cooked chicken breast. Dice it up for the perfect bite-sized texture. Using pre-cooked chicken saves you time, but you can also use rotisserie chicken or even leftover grilled chicken from last night's dinner. Next, add a rainbow of raw veggies. Think crisp mixed greens, sweet bell peppers, crunchy cucumber, and juicy cherry tomatoes. The more color the better, because each veggie brings its own unique nutrients and flavors to the bowl. Here's the twist. Instead of wrapping everything up, toast a whole wheat tortilla until it's golden and crisp, then break it into crunchy shards. These add the perfect crunch. No mess, just pure satisfaction with every bite. Whip up a quick homemade vinaigrette with olive oil, fresh lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and cracked black pepper. Drizzle it over your bowl and toss everything together so every bite is bursting with flavor. This bowl is absolutely packed with protein and fiber, which means it keeps you full, focused, and satisfied for hours. No more energy crashes or mindless snacking between meals. The best part? You can assemble this entire meal in just 5 minutes. It's perfect for busy mornings, quick lunches, or even a speedy dinner when you're short on time. No excuses. For maximum freshness, keep your components separate until you're ready to eat. Store the chicken, veggies, tortilla shards, and dressing in different containers and assemble your bowl at work or on the go. The combination of lean protein and fiber-rich veggies keeps you satisfied for hours. So you can finally say goodbye to those afternoon snack attacks and stay focused on what matters. Plus, it looks and tastes fantastic. Don't be surprised if your coworkers start eyeing your lunch with envy and asking for the recipe. This isn't a diet meal. It's a smart, delicious choice that fits right into your lifestyle. It's about eating well, feeling great, and enjoying every bite. Fast, filling, and truly your secret weapon against cravings. This bowl is proof that healthy eating can be both easy and exciting. Add it to your weekly rotation and watch how much better you feel. No more excuses, just real results. Next up, let's talk about the Egg and Spinach Microwave Power Box, a true game changer for busy office days when you need something quick, healthy, and genuinely satisfying. The office microwave is your secret weapon. If you know how to use it right, it can transform simple ingredients into a hot, nourishing meal in minutes, without any mess or fuss. Start by cracking 2 or 3 eggs into a microwave-safe container. Eggs are a powerhouse of protein and nutrients, perfect for keeping you full and focused through the afternoon. Add a splash of milk or water. This helps make the eggs fluffy and light. Whisk it all together with a fork, then season with a pinch of salt and pepper, or your favorite spice blend for a little extra kick. Next, grab a generous handful of fresh spinach and pile it right in. Don't worry if it looks like too much. Spinach wilts down beautifully in the microwave, adding a boost of vitamins and minerals without overpowering the dish. For extra flavor, sprinkle in some crumbled feta or a handful of shredded cheddar. If you like, toss in some chopped chives, a pinch of chili flakes, or even a few cherry tomato halves for color and freshness. This is your chance to get creative and make it your own. Pop the lid on your container. Just make sure it's vented so steam can escape. Microwave on high for about 60 seconds, then give it a good stir to make sure everything cooks evenly. Return it to the microwave for another 30 to 60 seconds, watching closely so the eggs are just set but still tender. In less than 2 minutes, you'll have a steaming, protein-packed scramble that's loaded with greens and melty cheese. It's warm, comforting, and feels like a real meal, not just a snack. The best part? It's clean, fast, and totally office-friendly. No lingering smells, no greasy pans, and no waiting in line for the toaster oven. Just a quick, wholesome lunch you can enjoy at your desk or in the break room. You can even prep the ingredients at home, crack the eggs, chop the veggies, and store everything in a container in the office fridge. When hunger strikes, just grab your box and cook. It's meal prep made effortless. Compare this to the usual soggy sandwich or a bag of crisps, and there's really no contest. You're fueling your body with real food that tastes great and keeps you energized. With high-quality protein from the eggs, nutrient-dense greens, and a touch of healthy fat from the cheese, you're getting a balanced meal that supports your health and your goals. It's perfect for anyone looking to eat well, lose weight, or simply stay sharp and productive throughout the workday. No more afternoon crashes or mindless snacking. Don't underestimate the power of a hot, nourishing lunch. It's not just about filling your stomach, it's about fueling your mind and setting yourself up for a successful, energized afternoon. The Egg and Spinach Microwave Power Box, your 2-minute ticket to a better, brighter, and more productive afternoon at the office. Let's talk about stress for a moment. It's that familiar creeping feeling that shows up when deadlines loom, emails pile up, and your to-do list seems endless. We've all been there, sitting at our desks, feeling the pressure build, and suddenly, our minds wander to snacks. Not just any snacks, but the crunchy, salty, or sweet comfort foods that promise a quick escape from the tension. When pressure hits, your body craves something to crunch, something to soothe. It's a natural response. Your brain is looking for a way to cope, and food is often the easiest answer. But what if you could satisfy those cravings and support your body at the same time? Enter the Tuna Avocado Crunch Bowl, a strategy, not just a meal. This isn't just about eating, it's about fueling your body and mind with the right nutrients to help you power through stress, stay focused, and avoid the crash that comes from sugary or processed snacks. Start with quality tuna. Choose a can packed in water or olive oil, whichever you prefer, but make sure to drain it well. Tuna is a powerhouse of lean protein and omega-3s, which are known to support brain health and keep you feeling full longer. Next, dice up half a ripe avocado. Its creamy texture is not only satisfying but also loaded with healthy fats that help stabilize your mood and keep your energy steady. Avocado is a true superfood for both your mind and body. For that essential crunch, finely dice some celery and red onion. The celery brings a fresh, crisp bite, while the red onion adds a sharp, zesty kick. These veggies don't just add flavor, they also bring fiber and antioxidants to the mix, helping you feel satisfied and nourished. Combine the tuna, avocado, celery, and onion in a bowl. Take a moment to make it look appealing. Presentation matters, even if you're just eating at your desk. A colorful, inviting meal can actually boost your mood before you even take a bite. For the dressing, mix a generous spoonful of Greek yogurt with a squeeze of lemon or lime juice, a pinch of salt and pepper, and, if you like, a dash of smoked paprika or fresh dill. This creamy, tangy dressing ties everything together and adds a boost of protein and probiotics for gut health. Gently fold all the ingredients together, being careful not to mash the avocado too much. You want to keep the salad chunky so every bite has a mix of textures, creamy, crunchy, and hearty. You can eat this straight from the bowl, or for an extra layer of crunch, serve it on crisp lettuce leaves. The lettuce acts as a refreshing, low-calorie wrap that makes every bite even more satisfying. This bowl is your shield against stress eating, healthy fats to support your mood, protein to keep you full, and plenty of crunch to satisfy those snacky urges. It's a meal that works with your body, not against it. The best part? No cooking required. You can mix this up in just a few minutes, even at your office desk. It's quick, convenient, and mess-free. Perfect for busy days when you need real nourishment fast. Keep a can of tuna, a small tub of Greek yogurt, and some chopped onion in your office fridge. Bring a ripe avocado and a few stalks of celery from home, and you're set for the week. With these simple ingredients on hand, you'll always have a healthy option ready to go. So next time stress hits and you feel the pull of the vending machine, pause. Remember this bowl. Instead of reaching for chips or candy, you'll have a delicious, nourishing meal that actually helps you feel better, body and mind. The Tuna Avocado Crunch Bowl isn't just a recipe, it's your tool for managing stress, staying focused, and keeping your health on track no matter how busy your day gets. Sometimes you want something hot, fast, and full of flavor. Don't order takeout. Make an Asian-style veggie stir-fry in 5 minutes. Buy pre-chopped stir-fry veggies for speed: broccoli, carrots, snap peas, peppers. Slice everything thin if prepping yourself. Uniform size cooks faster. Get your pan or wok screaming hot. Add a splash of sesame or avocado oil. Toss in the veggies. Listen for the sizzle. Keep them moving. While they cook, mix a quick sauce: soy sauce, grated ginger, garlic, rice vinegar. Pour sauce over veggies. Toss for 30 seconds until glossy and fragrant. Done in 5 minutes, nutrients locked in, flavors bold. Serve as is for low carb, or with pre-cooked brown rice or quinoa. Add pre-cooked chicken, prawns, or edamame for extra protein. This is healthy, vibrant, and faster than delivery. Next time you're tired, skip the takeout. Make this stir-fry and feel the difference. For mornings when you have seconds to spare, make the overnight yogurt protein jar. Prep it the night before. Your future self will thank you. Use a jar layer Greek yogurt mixed with protein powder as the base. Add rolled oats for slow-release energy, then a tablespoon of chia seeds for fiber and omega-3s. Top with berries, or your favorite fruit. Frozen works great. Thaws overnight. In the morning, add a handful of nuts or seeds for crunch. Grab and go. Eat on your commute, at your desk, or as a snack. Make several jars at once for the week. Switch up fruit and nuts for variety. This is portable, filling, and keeps you energized. No cleanup, no excuses. The overnight yogurt protein jar. Your make-ahead solution for busy days. There you have it. 5 fast, smart meals that destroy the no-time excuse. This isn't a diet, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Take control, fuel your body, and boost your performance. Don't just watch. Pick one recipe, make it this week, and feel the difference. Once you start, you won't want to go back. Eating well becomes a non-negotiable part of your routine. You are what you eat. Choose power, not junk. Be the chef of your own life. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more SlimSync tips. Now get out there and cook something brilliant.